Hello everybody. My name is Ellie. Welcome to my channel, where I share some amazing health and fitness content and some great tips on how to stay fit and healthy on a daily basis. In this video, we will be going through: know what is keto diet, how it is beneficial in improving physical relation. Keto diet not only helps in weight loss, but also improves your physical relation. Know how keto diet is beneficial for physical relation. Nowadays people follow different tips and methods to stay healthy. One of these is the keto diet, which is quite a trend nowadays. The keto diet is associated with fewer carbohydrates and more fat. In this, reducing the intake of carbohydrates produces energy from fat. It is also known by names like ketogenic diet, low-carb diet, fat diet. With the help of this diet, the body produces ketones in the liver to produce energy. In the keto diet, it is advised to avoid eating things like wheat, corn, rice cereals. Sugar should also be used in very less quantity in this. Apples, bananas and oranges should not be consumed in fruits. At the same time, the use of potatoes is also forbidden. You can include broccoli, cauliflower, cheese, walnuts, sunflower, beech and coconut oil in your diet. What to eat in keto diet. At the same time, if you are a non-vegetarian, then you can consume fish, mutton, chicken and eggs. In this, your body uses fat as a source of energy. Because of this, the weight of your body decreases. How to lose weight. But do you know that with this keto diet, you can also improve your physical relation? How keto diet affects physical relation. This is absolutely true. Know here what are the benefits of physical relation with keto diet. 1. Such a diet increases your desire to make physical relation. So if your partner also hesitates to make a physical relationship, then take the help of keto diet and do not let the love between you diminish. 2. Keto diet fills you with energy. So when you feel tired after a physical relationship, then with this diet you can always keep yourself energized and you will also be full of energy all the time regarding physical relationship. 3. By eating outside things, you not only lack nutrition inside you and you feel tired all the time. Due to this your interest in physical relation also decreases. But by following the keto diet, you avoid eating bad things outside and your interest towards physical relation also does not diminish. To find out more about health and fitness content, visit more video this channel.